Hello dear kids, welcome back to your classes. How are you all? I am your teacher Meenal Buddhi Raja of class 2 taking your EVS. So kids, how you all are doing? I hope you have done your yesterday homework. So kids, let's move forward to the chapter. Which chapter we have started? Chapter number 6, Food We Eat. So take out your books. I hope you have taken out your books, and those who have not brought from the school, kindly take it and start doing your work in it. So before we start our today class, I am going to give you few instructions. First of all, take all the necessary things with you. Number 1, your water bottle. It's very important to keep yourself hydrated, so keep drinking water. Number 2, your books. All subject books. Yes, don't get up again and again for your books. It's better to take your school bag and to keep your books inside it, and according to the timetable, take out your books. Third, your stationery items like your pencil, eraser, etc. So, before we move in the chapter, I'd like to tell you what we have done in our previous class. What we have learned in our previous class? Anybody can tell me? For that, I'm going to do one activity with you. So, come do it. So, shall we start? What are these? Do you able to recognize them? Tell me one thing. Yesterday I have given you one homework related to your kitchen. Tell me frankly how many of you have done it? Good. Claps for you. Keep doing your homework. Now kids, tell me one thing. If you have visited your kitchen and you must have seen all these things in your kitchen. So, shall we start it? Number 1. That is kidney beans. That is kidney beans. Or you call it rajma. That is your one of the favorite food items. Come to the next. That is moong. You don't like to eat. I know it very well. But we should eat it also. Come to the next. Okay, I will give you one guess. You like to eat this while watching movies. Yes, popcorn. With the help of corn, we make it popcorn. Now come to this is peas. You eat with rice or mama make vegetable like matar paneer, aloo matar, etc. This is, can you tell me, you like to eat with your puris, bhature and rice. This is chickpeas, or we call it chana or chole. Most important, you always want this in your meals. That is rice. Now you will say, ma'am, why you are having this bangles and chit? We are not able to understand. I am going to tell you what we are going to do in this activity. Here are the chits. And over there I have written name of these items. And I am having blue bangles and green bangles. Green, green, blue. So, green will tell us which are the pulses. And blue will tell us which are the cereals. I will keep over them. So, shall we start? 1, 2, 3, start. Okay, one by one. Number 1 is Corn. Can you tell me the spelling of corn? C-O-R-N. And where are they? This is corn? This. No, this. So, keep it over here. First of all, we will arrange all the chits. Then we will start keeping the bag. Next is, I am going to tell you but. Speak along with me so that you will easily learn the spellings of them. Next is peas. P-E-A-S. Kids, where are the peas? Where shall I keep it? Here or here? Right place is here. So I am keeping here. Next, kidney beans. Spelling K-I-D-N-E-Y. Kidney beans. B-E-A-N-S. I think this is kidney beans. No, ma'am, you are keeping it at the wrong place. Right place is here. Or we call it rajma. Next, moong. What is the spelling? M-O-O-N-G. This is moong. No. This is, yes. Now kids, start eating moong. Okay? I'm going to ask your parents. Next is rice. Your favorite and your man's too. What is the spelling? R-I-C-E. No use of guessing. We simply keep it here. Only one is left and that is chickpeas. Please read the spelling and speak. C-H-I-C-K. P-E-A. So, shall we start? Are you ready to keep the bangles? 1, 2, 3. So, I have taken both the bangles. One by one, we will identify and keep it. Okay, blue is for cereals and green is for pulses. Don't forget it. So, I am going to start with rice. Who will tell me rice comes under which category? Cereals or pulses? Ma'am, pulses. Is it right? No. The right answer is cereals. So, I am going to keep green bangle or blue. Blue. As I said, blue is for cereals. Now, next. Again, I am going to pick both bangles. Come to the chickpeas. Pulses or cereals? Tell me fast. 1, 2, 3. Time up. Right answer is pulses. So, we will put green bangle. Next, I am going to pick one green because I am already having blue in my hand. Now, come to the peas. Peas are cereals or pulses? Pulses. Right answer is pulses. So, I am going to keep green bangles. Again, I am taking green. Okay, next. Kidney beans. What are they? Cereals, pulses. Cereal, pulses. Ma'am, right answer is pulses. No cereals. No pulses. Right answer is pulses. Now, next. That is moong. And that is cereals, pulses. Cereals, pulses. Ma'am, right answer is pulses. Now, what is left? Corn. and we are over with pulses. So, what is that? That is cereals. So, I hope you understand it. So, kids, I hope you have understand it and easily able to recognize them. So, kids, I hope you have enjoyed this activity and you were easily able to recognize them. So, kids, we have learned about the food sources. From where do we get food? In yesterday class, we have learned that plant gave us food. And what about those students who eat egg, fish and chicken? From where does that food come? In today's class, we will learn about that and many more things. Before that, I am going to tell you one story. Listen it carefully and you will enjoy it and you will be easily able to relate with it. There was a one boy. What was his name? His name was Raghav. Do you know what does he do? He always liked to eat fish only. Anything else, not even he take vegetables, pulses, nothing. He always wants to eat fish. One day his mama said, Raghav, I'm fed from you. You always want to eat fish. What about the other food items? Then how will you become strong? How will you get energy to fight with the diseases? How will you grow? So he said, Mama, I am eating good food. Mama said, it's good that you are eating one food, but we require other nutrients as well as. For that, we have to eat all the food items, vegetables, pulses, fruits, etc. So, in today's class, I am going to tell you more about food. So, let's learn it. So, we will learn about food that we get from the animals. In yesterday's class, we have learned about the food that we get from plants. So, let's learn. Animals give us food. Number 1, meat. Number 2, milk. Number 3, eggs. Number 4, fish. We get meat, milk, eggs and fish from the animals. How many of you eat eggs? Yes, that we get from which animal? I'm going to tell you. First, what is skin of animal called? Anyone know about it? Tell me, skin of animal. Does anyone know about it? It is called meat. Yes, skin of animal is called meat. See the picture? This is meat. Next, milk. I hope everyone knows from where does we get milk. We get milk from animals like number 1, cow. Number 2, buffalo. Number 2, buffalo. These two are the common animals from where do we get milk. But there are many more animals. Number 3, goat. Number 3, goat. Number 4, sheep. Number 4, sheep. And last one, camel. Next, eggs. Who likes to eat eggs? See this picture. Next, Fish is very good for our hairs. Yes. Next, now come to the main kinds of food that I told you one story also. I was talking about these food. So one by one, learn it. There are 3 main kinds of food. Number 1, energy giving food. Number 2, body building food. And number 3 is protective food. Number 1, energy giving food. Number 2, body building food. Number 3, protective food. So number 1 is energy giving food. As the name is saying, energy. So we get energy from these food items. And what are they? Rice. Yes. Next, potatoes. Next, butter. Next, cheese. And last one, sugar. These are the example of the energy giving food. When you want to have energy, or you say instant energy when you feel tired, you can eat any one of them, like rice, potatoes, butter, cheese and sugar. So I hope you understand what are the energy giving food. Now when next time you feel tired and you want instant energy, say Mama to give you these food items to give you instant energy. Number 2 is body building food. Again, the name is saying body building. And what are the food items that help us to make our body? Number 1, grains. Number 2, pulses. Number 3, milk. Number 4, eggs. Yes, these food items are very important for making body. Grains, pulses, milk, eggs. These are the example of body building food. So now you understand what is the role of bodybuilding food. They help us to build our bones and muscle. Who wants to make their bones and muscle strong? Then you have to eat body building food. So now last one is protective food. And we get protective in the sense when you fall sick, then you eat these food items. And what are they? Fruits and vegetables. Kids, open your book, chapter number 6, page number 26. Write date and classwork in your book and underline the new words when I will see you. Read along with me and take your pencil to underline the new words. Let's start. Animals give us food. Animals give us food. We get meat, egg, fish and milk from animals. We get meat, egg, fish and milk from animals. And what we have to underline in this sentence, we have to underline the word meat. Now next, there are three main kinds of food. There are three main kinds of food. Number one is energy giving food. Number one is energy giving food. What we have to underline? Energy. We have to underline the word energy. We eat different kinds of food every day. Do we eat? Yes. We take all the three meals different. And we eat rice, potatoes, butter, cheese and sugar. They are energy giving food. What we have to underline here? Rice, potatoes, butter, cheese and sugar. I hope you are also doing along with me. They give us energy to work and play. They give us energy to work and play. No, ma'am said and first na. So we have to correct it. They give us energy to work, play and think. When we don't have energy, we feel tired, especially you kids after studying. Am I right? From the food items given in the picture above. In this picture, you have to tell how many food items do you eat. You can write over here only. After this sentence, see the picture carefully. There are so many things over there. You have to write your favorite food item, because that only you must eat, na? Okay? Write it down in your book. Body building food. After energy giving food, body building food. Underline the word body building. Now read, what are the example of body building foods? Grains, pulses, milk and eggs are body building foods. So you have to underline grains, pulses. They build up our bones and muscles. So underline the word bones and muscles also. Yes, when you eat bodybuilding food, they help us to build up our bones and muscles. Now what you have to do? You have to write down name 2 food items from the picture. from this picture. Okay, you have to write down the 2 food items from the picture. Now come to next. Last one, that is protective food. That is protective food. Fruits and vegetables are called protective food. What they help us to do? They help us to stay healthy. These foods prevent us from falling sick. Now you have to underline protective, healthy and sick. You have to underline here protective, healthy and sick. And question for this, which protective food do you like to eat? There are so many fruits and vegetables. Over here are some, but you can write according to your choice. I hope you have understand the topic and you have to do your new words in your book. You have to underline your new words in your book. This is your homework for today. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.